Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari. In governance, not every powerful position comes with visibility. Some roles operate in silence, away from headlines, away from public attention. But when systems remain stable, when institutions don't falter, when crises are quietly contained, there's always someone holding the line. Today, we bring to you the story of an officer whose final assignment is as brief as it is significant. A tenure that will end on March 31st, 2026, but a career that spans decades of service, discipline, and integrity. This is the story of Shyam Bhagat Negi, Himachal Pradesh's acting DGP for just 9 days. In most bureaucratic careers, the final days pass quietly. But for senior IPS officer Shyam Bhagat Negi, the closing chapter stands apart. He was given charge as Acting Director General of Police in Himachal Pradesh from March 23rd to March 31st, 2026. Alongside, he is also heading the State Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau during this period. What makes this appointment unique is its duration, just 9 days. And as March 31st approaches, so does the end of both his tenure as DGP and his long career in public service. Officially, this is a temporary arrangement. The current DGP Ashok Tiwari is on leave and is expected to resume charge on April 1st, but the timing has not gone unnoticed. The appointment came soon after concerns were raised in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly over drug abuse and policing. While the government has described it as routine, observers see deeper signals. In administration, even short decisions can carry long messages. Shyam Bhagat Negi is a 1990 batch IPS officer from Himachal Pradesh. He hails from Kinnaur district. Over the years, he has earned a reputation for being disciplined, honest, and composed. He is not known for seeking attention. Instead, he is known for delivering quietly and consistently. His career reflects both field experience and administrative depth. A major part of his career was spent on central deputation. From 2022 to 2025, he served in the Cabinet Secretariat as Special Secretary and later Additional Secretary. During this period, he was also empaneled for secretary level roles in the Government of India. Earlier, he worked as Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Coal. He also served in the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, contributing to efforts against illegal wildlife trade. These assignments broadened his experience beyond policing into policy and national governance. In July 2025, Negi returned to Himachal Pradesh. At that time, many expected him to take over as the regular DGP, but that did not happen. Instead, he was appointed Additional Chief Secretary in the Social Justice and Empowerment Department. It was a non-cadre posting for an IPS officer. Despite this, he continued his work without any controversy. At a time when the police department faced internal challenges, his experience was seen as valuable. Now, as his career nears its end, Negi has been given the opportunity, however brief, to lead the state police. The 9-day tenure will conclude on March 31st, 2026, the day he retires. It may not allow for major changes, but it carries meaning. It reflects recognition, it acknowledges seniority, and it completes a long administrative journey. It is easy to measure this assignment in days, but its real significance lies beyond numbers. It comes at a sensitive moment. It involves an officer once seen as a front runner for the top post. And it highlights how public service careers often take unexpected turns. For Shyam Bhagat Negi, March 31st will mark the end of both his tenure as DGP and his decades-long service. But his journey leaves behind a quiet lesson that leadership is not always about duration. Sometimes it is about dignity in every role till the very last day. At Indian Masterminds, we tell stories that go beyond the spotlight. Stories of those who strengthen institutions with consistency and commitment. If this story gave you a deeper perspective on leadership in uniform, do like and share this video. And subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more such stories from governance, public service, and national security. I am Bhakti Kothari. Stay aware, stay inspired, and we'll see you soon in the next story.